Dexter 580. It's a more or less typical Fiat Ducato campervan. It's going to cost 65,000 euros, 6 meters in length. So I'd like to say it was a no thrill towards the one, but it isn't. It's quite elegant inside. I mean, when you come in, you've got welcomed by the manufacturer's name. You've got a rather elegant and modern looking kitchen block here with a deep sink and very elegant, although it would benefit of course from a cover in a situation like this. It's not particularly practical like that in a vehicle like this. Storage below, which might come out. Oh, yeah, I'm getting weaker and weaker. And over here we've got a fridge, tower fridge. In here there is a toilet. This toilet does actually slide out a bit as well, and shower unit quite large. I'm not keen on slide out toilets because I've got this fear that one day they won't slide out. Widthwise bed at the back, so the width of this vehicle is 205 centimeters, so you're probably looking at a bed size of 190 or thereabouts, but steps up to the bed, and through here you can see you've got access to storage as well. There's storage up there, 2 skylights, and just for the record, don't close this one like this if you unless it's at night. If you don't, today it doesn't make a difference, it's -5 outside, but if the sun comes on it, it can buckle if the hot air can't escape. Even on a day like today, we're standing in the sun, I suppose there's a certain amount of risk. Chairs straight up, but relatively elegant in this sort of, I think it's pseudo leather, though I wouldn't really know. Storage there. You can also, the table here, you can actually put this to one side, makes a bit more space when you come to sit down. Good idea, in my opinion. Kitchen extension here, and below is a place to put your sandals when you come in. Just take you around the back, have a look at that, and so here we will find space for one gas cylinder, a large one, and quite a lot of space. As you'd expect, of course, this will all move to one side should you need more space at the back. Good, so I'll take you around here as well. So admire the windows, the flap for the cassette, and anyway, good. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting, and all the best from me in Germany.